Okay, while that's boiling, if you remember a very short time ago, we caught an eel using a gouge, and that eel that I caught, it actually had a very big fat belly on it. Even though I didn't video it, I was surprised when I was processing the eel, cutting it down. That eel had a whole duck inside of it. I wish I had a video to show you, but it had a whole young duck, not an adult duck, a young duck. So it had swallowed that duck whole. But anyway, that's the eel we caught with the gouge, and today we're going to have a go at cooking that eel up. As I said, I've not really cooked eels up before apart from smoking them over a fire. But this time I'll have a go at cooking an eel. Okay, we're heading some water up there, make myself a cup of coffee while we're getting ourselves organised. If you can see, guys, there's a bit of wire around the neck of that bottle, which is it's stainless steel wire, so it's been scooped around the neck of the bottle and it's hanging over the stick. So with that, I'm able to put it over a fire and boil it up. The water is boiling in that bottle nicely. As you can see, my cup of coffee is nice and hot. I'll do that. But while I've got a frying pan here, okay, in this container we have a bit of butter. I'm going to take some of that out and just put that onto the frying pan. Take that butter out and put it onto the frying pan. Okay, we've got a bit of butter here, so we'll just put a bit of that in there. And cut a bit of that off. We don't need that much. Put that into the frying pan and just let that melt down a bit. We've got a Okay, in here I've got the eel that we got prepared for the, I filleted it up the best as I could. Okay, so I filleted it up the best that I could, and what we'll do is we'll put some of these on in the frying pan and just give them a go at cooking them up. As I said, I've never cooked eel before. I've always smoked it, so this will be a first for me. So we'll see what it's like when we cook it. Okay, so we'll just fold this up and put this bit of eel aside for now. We'll keep it covered. See how we go. Let's put a little bit more butter in there just to get it going. As I said, in the pot here I've got a few veggies on, so hopefully they'll cook up nicely. Might grab a little bit more wood just to build that up. bit more water on there. Get a bit more heat with the cooking. Give that a bit of a turn over. That eel's cooking away nicely. Just let that cook for a little bit more and we'll give it a turn over. So it's looking good. That looks like it's cooking nicely. I'll turn that over. Oh, look at that, she's browning up great. Oops. Try turning that. Oh, look at the colour of that. That's looking really nice, guys. We'll just let that cook for another short period, probably about 5 minutes. Well, not even 5 minutes, we'll give it 2 or 3 minutes. And then we'll give it a go, eh? We'll turn that over one more time. Oh, do you look at that? Beautiful. Oh, lovely. Oh yeah, I think that's well and truly cooked. I think that's well and truly cooked. Take a look at that. What do you think about that, guys? That looks beautiful. I reckon we should give it a go. Got a little plate here. Put that piece in there. And we did some veggies. Whoops. They look beautiful. We'll just okay, there we go, guys. There's our meal with our fish underneath. Got a few veggies in there just to add a bit of colour, make it a bit more interesting. I reckon we should give that a go. What do you reckon? I bought a spoon, a fork and a knife so I can paste these things. Let's put them in my pocket for now. But the anyway, here we go. We'll try this eel, see what that's like. It tastes pretty good. I actually like it. Yeah. But just to make it a little bit different, I bought something else. I bought a lemon, so I put a bit of lemon juice on that. There we go, guys. Nice bit of eel. Beautiful, look at that. Beautiful, nice bit of eel. Anyway guys, I think, you know, that tastes pretty good. And I think, hey, I might start eating a little bit more of the eel. It's quite good to eat. It's got a nice taste. We just put some lemon juice on it, but before that it was had a bit of a salty flavour anyway. Mate, that was probably because of the butter it was cooked in. Anyway, I quite like that, and I'm definitely going to be having some more of that in the future. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. If you like what you've seen, guys, hey, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and yeah, we'll see what else we can put out there for you. Okay, thanks guys. Bye.